Hey, welcome back viewers. In this lecture we will talk about setting up website for AdSense. So basically, if you are not making good money with AdSense and you have a Google AdSense account and you are not making money, that means your topic is not good or your website is not receiving good amount of visitors. So these all things we will discuss in this lecture. So main thing in the AdSense is that how you can make more money with AdSense and less time is that you must have a very good topic for your website which can get you which can make you more money. So the website topic is very important. Whenever you want to make more money with AdSense, then you have to think about your website topic and you have to know about the high paying topics which works best for AdSense. And also never put or never insert Google Ads on your website which is new, maybe a week new or 2 weeks new. At least make your website proper. I mean, add content to your website, publish articles, add pictures, videos, and make your website perfect. I mean, add about me page, about contact me page, and also privacy policy page, which I told you in previous lecture. And after that, add content, make a navigation bar, and everything. When everything is perfect, and apart from that, when your website is actually receiving visitors from search engines and from social media and from all sources. So after that, if you add AdSense ads, it will be working best for you, because AdSense ads are for visitors, not for you. So it might be danger for you if you put AdSense ads on a blank website or on a website which is not receiving visitors. So what you will do of those ads? So basically, I will suggest you to add AdSense ads to your website, any website you have, after a month or 2 months or 3 months, maximum 3 months, or at least minimum 1 month. After 1 month, add AdSense ads, so you will have some visitors. They can view the ads, they can give impressions, and they can click the ads, so you will make more money. But the most important thing about AdSense is selecting your topic for your website. So you can you will be thinking about which kind of topic, because there are many topics, but maybe you don't know about how to work and how to create a website on that topic and how to write content for that. First of all, whatever website you have, simply like I have these two websites. Both are on about technology. I share tutorials and articles etc. This is onlineustad.com for Hindi and Urdu users, and this is onlinetutoring.com for English users. So I share web development tutorials here. If you want to get the best results from Google AdSense, then you have to publish articles which are lengthy and which are having keywords basically. So AdSense will actually display the best ads related to your content. So that will work best for you. If people click these ads, so you will make more money, and the clicks will be valuable basically. So therefore you have to add more content so AdSense can show you the best ads. And if you have no content on your site, only wallpapers or only videos, then AdSense will just show the very less value ads on your site and different sections of your site. So make sure you add proper keywords, proper articles, long article, at least 500 words or more than 500 words, so that Google AdSense boot can actually pick keywords from your article, from your content. So Google AdSense has a boot which deliver the ads on the on different pages. So you have to very carefully, this is the page about PHP and MySQL, I mean this article. So you can see the ad is relatively PHP, about PHP code generator. So if the visitor is visiting my website, they will of course click this ad because it is related to this topic, so they can easily click this. But if this ad was about fashion or about vegetables or about medicine or anything else, so the visitor will not be interested in this ad, but this time they can actually pay attention to this ad. So therefore, if you have content on your site, you will actually see see another one, my SQL video tutorial. This is also Google ad and very closely related to this topic, so you will get more clicks. Basically this is called CTR in AdSense, click through rate. So this I was just telling you that you can actually add more content articles. But now the first thing for creating a website, if you have already a website, then you can also create more websites or you can change your website setting or can add more articles to that. I will teach you each and everything in this course. I mean about increasing your AdSense revenue, AdSense CTR, RPM and CPC and many other things. But here in this video I want to tell you about some topics which are best for Google AdSense. If you want to get the best results from AdSense, then you can create websites on those topics, because the first thing to make money with AdSense is the website topic. So I have what are the best topics for AdSense. These 10 topics are the best topics for AdSense, and you will make a lot of more money than any other topic if you create any blog or website or this using these topics. The first topic is technology. Technology means anything in the technology niche, for example blogging, web development, SEO, web designing, anything which is related to engineering, networking, I mean programming, or anything which is in the technology main topic. So you can start any website on any category. After that, forex. The forex and the currency exchange and the shares and the things like that, all related to forex, is a great and best topic for AdSense, because actually how do we know that these topics work best in AdSense? Because advertisers who use AdWord network, they actually spend money on different keywords and different topics. So there is a competition in bidding for all the keywords between the advertisers or among the advertisers. So we can know, and Google tells us that which topic is mostly bidded and which topics is very competitive between the advertisers. So therefore we know advertisers are spending more money, investing more money on these topics, and they are paying more, I mean higher amount of money or these topics. So forex, business is also a very good topic. Anything related to business, you can create a website on that if you want to get best results from AdSense. Web hosting and domains, domain names and web hosting is the best keyword, because the web hosting companies and the domain providers spend a lot of money on these topics, and there is a very close competition between them. Fashion is also a very good topic. Travel and tourism can also bring a lot of money from AdSense if you create any blog or website or these topics. E-commerce, e-commerce maybe anything online or offline, so you can create anything about this topic. And most importantly, any topic related to USA, UK and Canada, any topic which may be interesting for people living in Canada, UK and USA. For example, baseball is a game which is very popular in USA. I mean some personality in USA or UK. So if you create any blog or website which is popular in these countries, so obviously people from these countries will visit that website or blog, and you will get visited from those countries. So that will be the best for AdSense, and you will get a lot of more money from very less visitors. Yes, of course, that is. And the 9th number is charity. Charity tips about charity or any blog or website. If you create about charity, that will also make you more money, because the big organizations are spending a lot of money by by displaying ads or by giving ads to Google. And insurance is the last topic that will make you more money. There are many more topics, but these are just common topics. Anyone can create a website by choosing any topic from these all. So I have given you a list of very good list of topics which you can use to create a blog or website. If you already have a website or blog on any other topic, you can create a new blog or website because if you have AdSense account, you can utilize that more and more. So now some of the topics that I want to tell you will not make more money. Yes, of course, these topics will also make money, but not like the above ones. So I also wanted to tell you about this. If you are earning less money, then this might be the reason. You have a website or blog about celebrities, about Bollywood, about only wallpapers, about poetry or jokes, or you might have a blog or website which is getting visitors only from developing countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, and African countries, or these developing countries. So those kind of topics will not make you more money, because if you have more visitors from these countries like European Union, Russia, UK, USA, and or at least from Middle East, you will get money. Of course, you will increase the money with AdSense. So that's it. You have to actually consider these points in mind, and also these points in mind, in order to increase your revenue to a higher level. So this is all about setting up your website. First of all, you have to add a domain, you have to buy a domain name and web hosting for your website. After that, you install WordPress. Use WordPress. WordPress is the great CMS for setting up your website, and very easy to use. And so after establishing your website, start writing articles on that, and after a month or two, when you have established your website, there are at least 20 articles, at least post 20 articles on your site if you are going to apply for a new account. So after 20 or 30 articles, then you can apply for AdSense account. You will get AdSense account very easily if you live in USA, UK, Canada, Europe, or at least in Middle East. You will get account very easily. But if you are from Pakistan, Bangladesh, or India, then at least work on your website for 4 months, and after that you apply for AdSense. You will get an account very easily. I will tell you the tips in my next lecture. But in the setting up your website section, in this lecture, when you create a website, establish a website, it is okay. After 2 months, just insert AdSense ads. If you have AdSense account, then you can insert ads, and whenever you will get visitors, you will make more money. But consider these topics which I told you in this lecture. Consider this. Keep them in your mind. In next video, I will come and will also tell you about one more tip before going to apply for AdSense account.